Today we are going to look at change unknown problems. In addition and subtraction problems, the unknown can be in any position in the problem. Let's take a look at an example. The bakery made 750 donuts on Thursday morning. Customers bought some of the donuts. Now the bakery has 425 donuts left to sell. How many donuts did the customers buy? Is this an addition or subtraction problem? How did you know? If you said this is a subtraction problem because the bakery sold some donuts, you're correct. Now write the equation that matches the problem situation. Put a question mark in the place of the unknown number. I'll give you a moment to write the equation. Did you write 750 minus sum or question mark equals 425? Where is our unknown number now? Yes, the unknown is in the middle of the equation. This is called the change unknown because something is happening to the problem that causes a change. In this problem, customers bought some donuts. Do we know how many donuts they bought? No, we don't. How could we find the unknown number? We know the total number of donuts for sale is 750, and we know there are 425 left. To find the unknown number, we need to subtract 425 from 750. Now, when we subtract, the answer we get is the number of donuts that the customer bought, which is the unknown change in the problem. Do you think there are also change unknown addition problems? Of course. Let's take a look at this problem. The bakery made 225 chocolate donuts on Thursday morning. The bakery also made some glazed donuts. Now the bakery has 750 donuts to sell. How many chocolate donuts did the bakery make? This is an addition problem. How do we know? If you said it is an addition problem because you know the bakery made 225 chocolate donuts and then made some glazed donuts to get a total of 750 donuts in all, you would be correct. What would this addition sentence look like? I'll give you a moment to write the equation that matches this word problem. Write a question mark for the unknown number. Did you write 225 plus sum or question mark equals 750? Once again, the unknown is in the middle of our equation, which is the change unknown position. What is happening in this word problem to cause a change? In this problem, the bakery made some glazed donuts. Do we know how many glazed donuts? No, we don't. How could we find out the unknown number? We know the bakery made 225 chocolate donuts and some glazed donuts. We also know that the total number of donuts was 750. Since I know the total, which is 750, and one part, which is 225, I need to subtract to find the unknown number. Now, when we subtract, the answer is the number of glazed donuts, which is the change unknown in this problem. This can sometimes be confusing because this is an addition problem situation, but we need to subtract to find the missing part. We had to use subtraction in order to find the answer to our addition problem. Remember, when working on word problems, you always read the problem. Think, am I going to add or subtract? What am I looking for? What will my number sentence or equation look like? Write the equation or number sentence and solve. always remember to double check your work. Don't forget the 4 strategies we reviewed last week and choose the strategy best for you.